Hey first grade, it's me again, and we are going to work some more on contractions. So I hope that you felt pretty successful in the last activity that we did, combining two words to make a contraction, and that you remember some of the patterns the pattern that we saw is that when we made a contraction, that we would take away the beginning vowel sound on the second word. And that's going to help you today as we look at a list of sentences that have contractions in them. I'm going to share this with you. This is going to be a short video because we're only going to do a couple of these together, and then you are going to do the rest on your own. I actually have it linked up on your slideshow for you so that you can access this and you don't have to just stare at it on the video, and you don't have to do it right this second. You can do it whenever your teacher tells you at Avery, or for my students, you can do this during your asynchronous time this afternoon. But I have some contraction sentences to share with you, and what we're going to do is I'm going to read you the book. Guys, look, there's a book right there. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm going to read you the sentence. And there's a contraction in each sentence. And what we're going to do is together, we're going to write the two words that we think make up that contraction. So I'm going to do the first two with you, and then you're going to do the other four on your own. Okay? So let me read this first sentence to you. This is the book I'm reading. Uh-oh. Do you guys see that contraction? We know it's a contraction. We see that apostrophe right there. So what we have to figure out now is, well, what makes up that contraction? What two words go together to make this word up? Oh gosh, that's not helping. I thought I was highlighting, and that really is not helping a bit. All right, so I'll just use my laser pointer. So we're going to take a look at this word right here. I'm. This is the book I'm reading. So what I want you to do is think for a second about the word I'm. Okay, and what two words do you think go together to make that contraction? I've got my whiteboard, kind of gross on the other side. It's nice on this side. I want to make sure you have yours as well. So if you need to grab that, go ahead and do it. Pause the video, but if not, we're just going to keep going. And I want you to write down the two words that you think make the contraction I'm. I'm going to write them on my board, and I'm going to give you a moment to write them on yours. Now remember, you're not writing a contraction now. You're writing the two words that go together to make the contraction. So we're actually working backwards in a different way than we were in the first video. All right, the two words that make up I'm. Are you ready? I wrote them on my board. You have them on yours? You're going to show me? Here we go. Did you have this? I am. I am goes together to make the contraction I'm. Okay, excellent. Let's go back and check the next one. Here's the second sentence. You're my best friend. Do you see that contraction right here? You're my best friend. So grab your whiteboard, and I want you to write down the two words that you think make up that contraction. What two words make up your? Okay, are you ready to show me? I've got it written down on my board. Do you have it written on yours? Okay, here we go. You are. Yeah, if you wrote down you are right. You are right. Oh my gosh, look at that. You are the two words that we use to make the contraction your. Excellent. So now what you're going to do next, at whatever point either your teacher tells you, or if you're in my class during your asynchronous time this afternoon, you're going to go through these other sentences. There's 4 more here. And I want you to practice writing the two words that make up each contraction. I'm going to go ahead and read them to you one time quickly, just so that you have them. Do you know where she's going? I think we're lost. I like when it's sunny outside. He's my little brother. And if you're having trouble remembering which words are contractions, they're the ones that have that little apostrophe showing where the word has been stitched together. We took something out and stitched it up. All right, I'll see you guys for your next video. You have one more assignment.